In a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a curious young boy named Timmy. One day, while wandering through the forest, he stumbled upon a peculiar object lying beneath the tall, gnarled roots of an ancient oak tree. It was a mug, unlike any he had ever seen before. The mug was not ordinary. It shimmered with a soft, ethereal glow, and seemed to pulsate with an energy that hummed in sync with Timmy's heartbeat. He picked it up, and as his fingers brushed against its smooth, cool surface, he felt a sudden surge of warmth and a strange sense of connection. Timmy brought the mug home, intrigued by its mysterious aura. As he poured himself a steaming cup of tea, he couldn't help but notice that the mug seemed to drink the tea just as fast as he poured it. It was as if the mug had a mind of its own. Days turned into weeks, and Timmy grew more and more attached to the mug. He began to discover its magical properties, such as its ability to clean itself, its uncanny knack for finding misplaced items, and its strange knack for making the perfect cup of tea. One evening, as Timmy was sitting by the fire, engrossed in a book about ancient magic, he suddenly realized something. The mug was not just a magical object, it was a conduit for the wisdom of the ages. Each sip from the mug seemed to fill him with knowledge and understanding that far surpassed his years. From that day on, Timmy spent every waking moment with the mug, learning from its wisdom and growing in knowledge. He became a scholar, a sage, a beacon of wisdom in his village. The mug, now a cherished family heirloom, continued to guide and teach, passing its knowledge down through the generations. In the end, the mug taught Timmy that knowledge is the greatest treasure a person can possess. And so, he lived his life in pursuit of knowledge, never letting go of the magical mug that had changed his life forever. The mug, a humble object, became the key to Timmy's immense wisdom, a testament to the power of learning and the magic of knowledge.